Hello, everyone who works with the breeding of genetically modified organisms is familiar with the problem. When there's one or two modified genes, it's still easy to predict which genotypes can be expected as offspring. But what happens when there are multiple modified genes? That's where our new web app comes into play. It's called Genotype Calculator and allows for the calculation of possible offspring for up to 5 genes. In this video, I want to briefly explain our web app to you and give you a closer look. You can find our web app at the address displayed on the screen. Additionally, the link is also available in the comments to this video. When you visit the site, you start with an empty calculator. The first thing you should do is specify the name of your strain, which will make it easier to identify your report or save data later on. Next, you enter the gene name of your mutation or knockout. In this example, I have provided 2, but up to 5 are possible. Then you must specify the genotype for each parent, where the alleles must be separated by a slash. If you wish, you can use the Clear button to clear the form, the Save Data button to save your entries on your local computer, or the Load Data button to upload saved data. With the Calculate button, we will compute the possible genotypes of the offspring. On the results page, you can review the name of the strain and check the genotypes of both parent parts again. In the table below these, all possible genotypes of the offspring are displayed in order of their percentage distribution. With the Export to PDF button, you can save this report on your computer in the format strainname.pdf. The Back to Calculator button takes you back to the previous page, and you can start over with an empty form. However, you can also select the parents for the next generation using the radio buttons, and by clicking on Back to Calculator with selection, you can switch back to the previous form, which will already be filled out with your selections. Before proceeding, you will be asked if you want to save the PDF. After confirming, the form will open. Please note that the strain name will automatically be extended by 1 generation in this process. And that concludes the entire app. I hope I was able to provide you with a brief introduction to our app and that you find it as useful as we do. If you wish, you can support us by using the donation button to contribute via PayPal, or follow us via our Instagram and YouTube links. Thank you very much, and we would appreciate your feedback.